This is the Grant Frog dashboard. On the dashboard, you have your most important information and deadlines in one place. You can see any deadline for your grants, your grant reports, and your task all on the dashboard. You also get your email notifications once you enter in these deadlines, so you're being reminded of this information in multiple ways. You can see your most upcoming deadlines. You can see the title, what type of a deadline is, a grant report or a task, what foundation it's related to, the due date, and the user. So you have that all in one place. You can also go down here and see what grants and tasks and grant reports are due within 90 days. So you really have a forecast and an outlook on what's upcoming and what you need to work on the most. Now, one of the neat things here is that when you open Grant Frog, you'll see your team's deadline. So the entire organization, whoever's working on grants, you'll see the deadlines. But with Grant Frog, you can also switch over to see just your deadlines. All you need to do is click the toggle, switch to only me, and now you can see deadlines that are most important to you.